Good morning. Today is a nice Saturday morning. It's cool, it's dry, and I have no rain in the forecast for 48 hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the polymeric sand down on the patio. Just been waiting to do this for a while, but today's the day. We've had a bunch of on-off rainy days. This is what I'm going to be putting the polymeric sand on, all the way out to the steps over there, if you can see them. So stay tuned. I'm going to probably put this on high speed mode, and I'll start off slow for a little bit with a couple of buckets. What I'm using is the Technoseal Easy Sand. A lot of people don't like it. A lot of people have good luck with it. I don't know what I'm going to have, but we're going to find out. This is the product in a bucket. So basically you pour a bucket out in a small area, then you broom it in. After the whole area is broomed in, you tamp it. After you tamp it, you put more down and make sure all the cracks are filled up to about 1/8 inch deep. Then you use a leaf blower and you blow off the residue. That seems to be the number one important thing. And then you wet it down for about 30 seconds. Wait a couple of minutes, wet it down for 30 seconds again. My whole patio here literally is probably, it's definitely under 300 square feet, so it shouldn't take long, but this is the first time I've done it, so who knows, right? Who knows how long it'll take. But sit back and enjoy a little bit, if that's the right word for it. Okay, so the polymeric sand is in. It's been wet down a couple of times for 30 seconds. All the residue and the puddling has been blown off of it. And now it just gets to sit and dry and set up. That's out here. See a little puddle I'm going to blow away here. I'm looking for a puddle. Oh yeah, here it is. Oh, so that's the end of this project. I want to thank you for watching. It's been a long project, but actually it's been like less than 3 weeks. Just taking my time brick by brick. All the old brick has been turned over to look like new brick, and I'll give you a shot of when it dries. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.